Hi, in this video, we'll be talking about how you can reverse engineer an existing database in Astera Data Warehouse Builder. Reverse engineering is the process of constructing a data model from an existing database. When you reverse engineer a database in Astera Data Warehouse Builder, it creates a logical structure that incorporates the tables in the database and the relationships between them. You can reverse engineer a database in two ways. You could either use the reverse engineer option available in the data model section of the main menu, or you could use the reverse engineer icon in the toolbar. In both cases, a reverse engineering wizard will appear on the screen. If you haven't already established a database connection, you can specify one from within this window by clicking on the ellipses in the database connections section. A database connection window will appear. Here, you can choose from an extensive list of database providers, enter the required credentials, and then choose the database that you want to reverse engineer. In this case, we'll select a sample database on an SQL server. Once you've defined the connection, click OK. This will bring you back to the reverse engineering window, where you'll be able to see a list of tables or entities present in the database, along with some basic information regarding each entity. From here, you can select the entities that you want to include in the model. You can use the search bar to look up specific entities, and you can also filter out certain entities by specifying filter options for each information type provided. In this case, we'll select all of the listed entities by checking the box at the top. Once you've chosen the entities that you want to include in the model, click OK. The process of reverse engineering will automatically take place, and the selected entities and the relationships between them will appear on the data model designer. So this is how you can reverse engineer an existing database. For more information on Astera Data Warehouse Builder, please visit our website. Thank you for watching this video.